Whoa. Birds.
Ahoy. We have come to abroad in search of adventure and general fine times.
Indeed. Where are we, by the way?
Colorado.
Oh. This isn't where I thought we would have landed. We should have been closer to California than this.
California? That's like 3 states away.
Oh, this will set us back like a month.
How do you mess up that badly?
We, got pretty turned around back there. Keep it steady, everyone. Just keep it steady. Keep those gusts under the wing.
Well, this is pretty cool. I've never had 4 other birds on my branches.
4? Who are you?
I'm Pawn.
We didn't invite you to come with us.
Wait, isn't this the Paris tour?
Paris? This is like a totally different continent.
Oh. So you mean to say that I flew all this way and got blown into oblivion and I ended up on a country that's at least 20 miles away? Oh, for fuck's sake.
How far did you just say?
At least 20 miles.
Well, you're not wrong, I guess.
Well, Pawn, it looks like we're going to have to wait out the storm. The winds to the east are too severe.
This is ridiculous. I was supposed to be lower throat deep in baguettes by now.
Wait, what?
Octavio, what are we meant to do while we wait for the skies to clear?
Well, Barry, I suppose we have no other choice than to wait here in Colorado.
Well, as long as you're stuck here, you're welcome to perch upon my tree. My name is Don and I'll be your host.
My name is Octavio, and I'm the head ranger of this expedition. This here is my apprentice, Barry.
Salutations.
I'm Calvin. I've been following these two around for a while.
Okay, cool. This is gonna be great, guys. We're gonna have a great time.
Okay then. What's the first thing on the agenda in this place?
Surviving the bitter cold.
Oh,
Calm down, it's just a little bit.
why'd it have to be Colorado?